doing it finally.
Hey, Big Radio, thank you for flipping that 5 for me, man. Thank you very much, Big Radio. I'm back on the side.
Hey, we know you won't. You'll be back out here in 2 seconds, running your yacht. 206.
Yo, 206, dale.
Say what?
Hey, Roger, buenos días ahí. 206 aquí, con mucho ruido aquí por Newark.
Yeah, you better pack up and head back to fucking Mexico down there to the border. That's where we're going to be needing you this ass here, man. So pack it up, get on out of here.
I'm not Mexican, just because I could speak Spanish. I'm from Europe, driver.
Yeah, you ain't from Europe. They speaking, you ought to be down there with them.
I'm from Europe, driver.
Get the fuck out of here, too. I'm from Puerto Rico. Don't be mad because I'm a citizen and I speak Spanish.
That's what I'm telling that guy. Hey, Puerto Rico, that's what I'm telling that guy. He's telling me to go to Mexico. He told me to pack up my shit and go back to Mexico.
I heard him tell you double R. What's going on? Top of the morning to you. Both my hands waving at you.
Double R, top of the morning, 206 with the wave.
That's the thing, people get mad because we got Spanish people in this country, but shit, the United States of America is touching Mexico and Canada. How come nobody says nothing about the Polish immigrants, or the Chinese immigrants, or the Indian that's 60 years old and getting on Medicare and all that other shit that we pay for that we're supposed to be getting when we get old? You ain't paying.
Yeah, I hear you, Double R, man. But that guy needs to go back to school, man. Just because somebody speaks Spanish, it does not mean they're from Mexico, man. He needs to go back to school and learn a little geography or something. I don't know.
You're not from Europe. Where the fuck is Spain, nigga? Spain is in Europe.
I told you 3 times, I'm from Europe, driver. Believe it or not, I'm from Europe. Just because I speak Spanish, I'm not a Mexican.
Nah, you can tell you're a fucking salsa slurper. Get the fuck out, man. Get down there where you belong. Yo, 206, just tell him, man, if you're gonna leave, you're gonna need a bigger box.
Yeah, I couldn't hear him, man. You keyed up, Double R, I couldn't hear him anymore, man.
Try to get your fucking ass the fuck up out of here. Shut up, spend money, and buy a radio.
Did you hear that, driver? Double R said, shut up, spend money, and get a bigger radio.
Why don't you just shut up and drive so you can make your home alive before I can home your wife? Evidently, I got a pretty big fucking radio. I'm up here by the GW, motherfucker. You're hearing me, motherfuckers. They're there. So you tell that cocksucker to get a bigger fucking radio so I can hear him.
He's not at no GW. He's over there at the Gothels Bridge or something. You ain't at no GW. Who you lying to?
He was behind me. You fucking dumb. I can't even hear him anymore. The extension. To the 1-watt transistor radio, I'd be able to hear him. Just because I'm barely fucking picking you up anymore.
153, you said he was behind you?
No, back to Mexico. Back to Mexico. Yeah, he was on the extension because he was blowing me out and all of a sudden he faded away.
Yeah, roger that. This was a little while ago or now?
Now, when he first started talking,
Yeah, he claims he's up there on a GW. That ain't no GW. Alright, man. Hey, 153, man. I'll catch you later.
Yo, big brother, I'll catch you on the road later.
Alright, man. Everybody out there, have a good day.
Alright, 206, got both my hands waving at you, brother. Drive safe out there. Make it home tonight.
Alright, Double R. You know how we do it, man. Have a good one, big brother. Have a great day, man. Be careful. Be safe. Safe trucking. Double R, 206 with the wave.